would one of you be able to kind of dive into like what teams do you have rolled out into Dragonboat, and to which capacity are they sort of using that for alignment, and how did you get buy-in between, you know, maybe your CSM team doesn't want to use those things in marketing? Kind of how did you implement that to make sure that you have that alignment? And it can go to any of you if any of you want to jump in.
Yeah,
go ahead, Alex.
So we started Dragonboat for the roadmap aspect. We're using different tools, and it was just tough to manage because all our data was in Jira, so we had to use Excel and whatnot. So we started with, you know, just the roadmap, export that to the entire team and entire company, and realize, I think Zemira mentioned that if you show September delivery dates, then you better be September. So the roadmap is just for product and engineering. So they use the portfolio to do the right scoring. And then we look at the time frame for the quarter, if not, you know, a couple of quarters ahead. So that's just product and engineering. Executive can access the time frame, but the rest of the company is really, we use the dashboard, the summary. So instead of the actual dates, it's more like the month, if not the quarter, and that everybody use that. So the customer success marketing feeds from that, obviously. So they know in advance, you know, product blogs and whatnot. The sales rep can also have access to that. So that's yeah, product engineering mainly roll out to the company just for communication. And now we're looking into the request portal, because obviously we have a lot of feedback from sales. They're being tracked somewhere else. So we're trying to have them into Dragonboat so we have everything in the same place.
For me, my company is not yet using Dragonboat. I hope soon they do. They just started with OKRs a couple quarters ago. So they're trying to stabilize that system of tracking things. So hopefully in the near future we will. But I am familiar with Dragonboat. I was there with the product at the beginning, provided some feedback as it is being built. And I imagine when we get to use it, we would use definitely the allocation between the teams. That I think is in portfolio level, and being able to slice the product so only people that need to see certain things can see it will be one of the key things that I would enjoy using.
Yep. On my side, I'm a bit like Alex. So we're not using the allocation, but we want to get on the request portal. What we're going to share to the organization is a 3D roadmap. So we're with like each product and in quarters, and we add the theme. So everything is grouped by theme. So it's easy for them, like, oh, you're working on authentication, or you're working on yeah, we got some screen inventory. So you're working on inventory, and so it's easy for them, and they can drill down and see the epic. So so we're going to share that with marketing, sales, and customer support. Yep.
Very good.
I'm pleased to hear that your marketing teams are finding value in that. That's a good reason to be on the tool.
Yep.
Yeah, because if not, they will ask you the question anyway.
Yeah, right.
It's just kind of like, well, just look here.
Yeah. That was one of our problem. Everyone has a different roadmap somewhere hidden, and now it's one place to rule them all.
So you just tell everyone, check the answer to every question now is check Dragonboat. Is that
yep.
it?
Pretty much.
Okay.